What's up, YouTube? Here. Welcome back to Marvel Cross Fast Lightning. The video got updated last time. Unfortunately, look at this. Yes, so I wasn't here because remember now I'm at Rusahul. I finally got it. Finally. How you doing? That is my answer to that question. That the world will. The answer of the world can take. We're gonna beat it. Oh yeah. Woo! Yes. My return. Actually, it's back to normal when I was there. Alright. Let's do it. Woohoo! Now the next one. Whoa! That makes sense. Woohoo! Whoa! Woohoo! No! What? Woo! That could be the answer. Oh no! Yes. Woo! Yes. Yes. Like a cow. I won. Woohoo! I did it. Woohoo! I did it. All right, let's go. Woohoo! We have no chance. Yes. Woohoo! I know I'm the best. Let's do the 2 ending rounds. We're almost there. Woo! Oh, oops. Yes. He's from France. I can read this. Yes! Woo! Wonderful! No! Yes! It's gonna beat it! Yes! Alright, here we go. Next one is Flow. Remember how to do that. I know how to do it. I don't know how to do the divorce. Oh yeah, that could be it. So guys, my subscribers is getting bigger. My subscribers is getting even bigger. Woohoo! Still need to get something that's way better than the other guys. Like I need to get million. So you have to give me likes, reviews, and then how the video did so well. Give me that all of them, and then also share. And then yeah. Right now, let everybody in the comics know about this game. And I do it! Yeah! I did that, yes! Alright! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! We're at 2 fast cars in the greatest. Yes! Yes! I know about this game. I could get playing this all day if I have to. That could be true. Woo! Yes. Yes. Woo! Let's go! I'm the chosen one. I'm the Mr. Power. Oh, what? How did I see a plus button like that? What? How did that plus button come from? Did it? What? Woo! He did a flip! Oh, I got Mr. America! Oh! Who's that? Oh, also the third one. Alright. I felt in love with the cars. They are my fans. Yeah! Woo! Guys, I love this movie. I watch all the entire parts. Cars 1, Cars 2, Cars 3, Cars 1, and the other things. The only thing I saw was McQueen was the greatest car in the world. Even Cruz Ramirez, I don't know why. Now that's her friend now. Even the others, except Sally, Mater, and they're all have been friends, and now they're all of them, all the Raiders Springs are now. This is the team. Here it goes! Woo! Go! Go! I show what you can. You have no idea what you're talking about. We got 2 more to go. Actually, we got 3. Cause I saw that part. I'm facing this guy. From that guy again. I know the last time. Aroma time. Woo! Oh God. Can't believe it. Here it goes. Oh, you see that? You see that? You see that? Ah! I need to get Yoshitatsu here. Oh, that's not the word I said. That could be a wrestler. Oh, no! Dang it. The game. No, not the game! Oh, no! Oh, I'm gonna lose. No, I'm still in the lead. That's why I'm in the lead. I get filled like 3 times already, probably. Okay, I'm gonna win this game! Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Yeah! I'm gonna beat you! Let's go! Woohoo! My gosh. Can't believe it. Holy shit, what else is the last? It's the last one. That's the last. That will be the last one. I have to do this, after her. Because she's her. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on here? Ah! Yeah, I'm back! I'm back, guys! I can't confuse that! And bad, why there's a logo that I had for in the first part, that part? I'm gonna lose. Let me do the skip mode. Oh, I did the skip mode. Oh shoot, I can't do it. I did the skip mode, but I can't even do that harder. Oh, that's the last one. Let's go! Woo! Let's do skip. Ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna happen in the last part. We'll see you guys next time. We're gonna see you guys in the last part. Bye bye.